Hi viewers, our today's topic is how can I overpower my dreams? I'm talking about the real time dreams that you see at night or day or whatever. So here comes the answer. Dreams have a special purpose in your life and they come to convey some messages either through spiritual guides or other relevant people to let you understand, analyze, and overpower your difficulties. Here is the way as how to overpower your dreams, their messages, and to convert a dream message. So please listen very, very carefully because this is very inquisitive topic over here. So you have to convert a dream message while staying inside the dream into something that suits you and your purpose, of course. I'll be talking in points. Point number one. If the dream means to warn you about a misadventure, you have to prepare your brain to fight against this by telling your subconscious mind that you are ready to change the events of the dream just according to your needs, requirements, and wishes. Tell your brain, body, and heart and soul. Brain, body, heart, and soul. Soul to be with you in this adventure, this unique experience. And if somebody tries to hurt you inside the dream, change the event straight away, right inside the dream. And this will make sure that your life changes at the same time and day. Changes towards the positive, I mean. Point number two. Main issue is being brave and bold when dealing with the dreams. If you will be submissive inside a dream, you cannot achieve much. So be energetic and go ahead with the dream. 3. Stay positive and be bold when inside the dream. It will take time, of course, to let you overpower this, and lot of practice is required. But in the end, it will take time, but once you are set upon dealing with your dreams in a logical and bold manner, things will start changing for you. 4. Dreams foretell you. They are the forebringers. They foretell you about the real time issues as they will be happening in future. So these dreams will be weaving and coining different stories. At one day there will be a different story, other day different, another day a different story, but with the same message. All stories with the same message. So if you have an issue in life, you will see heart-rending stories that are to befall you. But if you face the story bravely and are no more timid and submissive inside the dream and are rather agile, active, brave, and are able not only to face the reality but also to change or mold it as per your needs and requirements, you will be able to win the day and overpower the looming and the coming disaster. 5. Guide and empower your conscious mind, to help you during the dream and make you fight against the given odds with real time strength through the use of visualization, reticular activating system, and pineal gland that relates to your third eye. I'll be talking about these three terms: visualization, reticular activating system, and pineal gland later on. All these three things are related to your spinal cord, your brain, your third eye, and the other activating systems that can let you reprogram and reorganize your life in a very, very curious and inquisitive way. So stay tuned and be brave, and you will be able to overpower your dreams and change your life into a new way, into a new direction, into a new dimension. Thank you.